Hello folks, it's us again. This week time I have it's a mystery vice grip video. And I really have no idea what these are for. These are weird. I thought I seen them all until this is a vice grip 9R. The last one I just showed you was this. See, this is a 9R vice grip. So it's using the same platform as a 9R, but this thing has a big chunky thing on it. I really don't know what this comes off here or comes out. Don't know what the heck this is for. Slides in there. Opens up. I mean, I don't know. Is this a sandwich press? You can make hot hamburgers, flip burgers. It is the coolest version of vice grip I've yet to see. What is it for? I got no clue. There's even a inside here. There's a rubber pad. And I don't know. It's kind of like they used part of this, and I don't know. You can see the top here. It's welded on. It's got a little thing there. I mean, I don't know. It's got to be some specialty tool. Somebody out there must know what this is used for. It's in mint condition. I never seen it. I was like, I said to myself, that's going to be one that's going to be hard to find. I can't use it as a nose pincher. It's not wide enough. I can probably use it as an eye patch. Oh, look, see? I don't know. I could probably claw my mouth with it. Oh, go. So anyway, this is a, say, 9R. It's brand spanking new. It's a vintage Peterson, so it's definitely before Irwin took over and sold out to China. Somebody must have had this made for something. I mean, I don't know, and it's got a rubber pad on here, so this thing wobbles, comes out, kind of just presses in there. I don't know if you can see it in there, see? Behind it is a little piece. It's a little thing. So yeah, standard vice grip with something else welded on. Anybody know what this is? If anybody out there has any clue what this is the mystery 9R vice grip. We have no idea what it's for. Why did I buy it? Because I like vice grips, and I found a new hobby, finding mystery vice grips. I'm sure there's everything. Yeah, I like everything. See, watch. If you look in the picture, see, I can squash her head. Crunch. Anyway, that's it for this one. My mystery vice grip video. If you know what it's for, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell all your friends about this channel, because we're all awesome here.